All right, today we're going to answer the question, how much power does it actually take to do one of these prints? It's kind of nebulous right now. So this is a device called a Kilowatt. I think there's different versions of it. This is a company, that's their name for it. But basically it measures the watts that are, or the power that's used by whatever's plugged into it. So right now it also shows the voltage, so 120 volts approximately. And the total cost, we're going to look at that at the end of the print. And then you can put in the cost per kilowatt hour. So in our area, the average cost is 26.2 cents. So that's the average cost. We actually have time of day where we are, so it's actually cheaper now and more expensive in the afternoon when everybody's using their air conditioning. And it measures how many kilowatts you actually used while it was plugged in, and the elapsed time. So we're going to reset this. Actually, we don't really care about the elapsed time, but yeah. We're mainly concerned of how many watts does it use and how much does it cost. Yeah. All right, so to get this to work, we now need to plug our printer into here. So we're going to unplug it from here. We're going to plug it into the Kilowatt. Plug it in here. And we're going to turn it on. And we're going to look at the watts used. So watts now is 0. I haven't really done anything yet. So the first thing we're going to try is load Filament. Let's see how many watts that uses. All right, we're ready to start our print. It's an hour and 47-minute print. Actually, that's underestimates it by a little bit, but so far with the load Filament cycle, we haven't even used 0.01 kilowatts yet. So we'll see what this is after the print's done. So meanwhile, we're going to do the time lapse. All right, our print is done. We'll take a look at it in a second, but let's see how much power we used. So we used 0.15 kilowatts. So if we use the menu button, took 2 hours and 9 minutes, and it cost 3 cents. So this F14 print cost 3 cents of electricity to build. So that gives you an idea of what it costs to print things. Not that much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.